If you're running a business, your online reputation is everything. In this video I'm going to show you how to get it back on track, or even better, how to keep it thriving. Hi! My name's Curtis Boyd and I've been working in the field of online reputation management for years now. I was disappointed of seeing businesses that were struggling so hard because they didn't know what steps they needed to take in order to keep their company afloat. So, I created this video about some straightforward tips on how you can maintain an excellent online presence without breaking the bank with expensive services like SEO and PPC campaigns, which are great if you have funds, but not everyone does. There are many reasons that you may need to take action when it comes to your online reputation management. If you notice a drop in the number of visitors coming to your website, or if sales have slowed down, these could be signs that someone is saying something negative about your company online. Online reputation management, or ORM, can be tricky if you don't know what you're doing. It's not always clear what you need to do to manage it, or how to go about doing so. That is why I have created this video, to give you all the latest updates on how to manage your online reputation. The internet is a powerful tool and one that can get you good results if well managed. The key to any successful business is the way your company interacts with its customers, but it's not always easy when dealing with issues like negative comments or reviews. Online reputation management involves monitoring what people say about your brand online, then rebutting those claims where necessary. Objection.co is a tool that lets you look at your online reputation. It's important to keep on top of your digital self-presentation because people are forming their opinions about you, and sometimes those opinions get shared online before you even knew they existed. Objection.co will help you removing illegitimate reviews from your profile. Visit objection.co now to learn more.